Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie and I'm here to teach you American English. Today is a very special day. It's Chinese New Year. 新年快乐. I wanted to wish you a very happy new year and good health. I hope you all have a wonderful time with your family and friends, and we'll be taking the week off, but we will resume the following week. I want to hear how you're celebrating the new year, so leave me a comment. I also wanted to thank Gary Lowe, my first Patreon. For those of you who don't know, I have a Patreon page, which allows you to support me, and in return, you get extra content that complements our videos. So go check out the link in our description. Hope you all have a happy new year. See you soon. Bye.